Hi, so this short recording will show you how to create a meme on Teams. Once you've logged into your Office 365 account, you should see a list of apps. If you don't, just a reminder, you can click up in the corner and it'll take you to the app launcher. Then you'll click on Teams. Once you get to Teams, you will need to choose the team for our class. I'm just going to my first period class for now. And then it will automatically take you to the conversation section. From there, you're going to choose the option for the sticker. It's a little smiling square. So click on the sticker. And then on the left, you have a few different options, but if you scroll down, you can click on meme, and you can pick out your favorite option. When you find one you like, you can just start to type in your example. So remember, you guys are going to be creating a meme about school. It can have anything to do with school. So I'm going to start working on my meme. I'm just going to say, when you make it to class as the bell. I'm just fixing my capitalization. If you guys make some mistakes because you're typing quickly, please do the same. And then you can submit and post your meme. You can send it in. And that's a very quick way to make memes on Teams. So have fun with this as you are working on practicing our smiley face trick humor.